In this video, I'm going to explain what TikTok Shop is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can make money on it. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of TikTok Shop and the steps you need to take in order to start earning on the platform. So TikTok Shop is a built-in e-commerce feature on TikTok that allows users to buy and sell products directly within the app. You've probably seen videos with product links on them or creators promoting the products on live streams. That's TikTok Shop in action. It's a mix of shopping and entertainment all in one place. Businesses can sell their products, creators can promote them, and shoppers get an easy way to buy without leaving the app. This seamless experience is one of the reasons why TikTok Shop is growing so quickly. Prior to this, if you want to link a product in your video for people to buy, you will most likely have to do it by posting an external link and send people off the platform into a different browser. And most people will just fall off in that process because there are just too many steps to follow. But TikTok is changing the game with this because they make the entire process super streamlined. Users can just directly purchase within the app without having to jump through too many hoops. So the conversion rate on TikTok Shop is so much higher. And many of the other social media platforms in the past have tried to incorporate this type of functionality onto their platform, but so far only TikTok has been able to have massive success at it. In the first year of launch last year, TikTok Shop has generated $4.4 billion in sales. This year, they have seen significant growth and are projected to do $17.5 billion in the US market. And that number is expected to keep growing and with no signs of slowing down. So how can you tap into this social commerce trend and actually make money on TikTok Shop? There are two main ways. The first way is as a seller. So this is when you can set up a TikTok Shop for seller account and you can sell your own products on TikTok. This could be any type of physical products like clothing, skincare products, or gadgets. You simply start an online store connected to your TikTok Shop, create engaging videos to showcase your products, and promote it to your audience. The second way to make money on TikTok is to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. This is when you promote other sellers' products and earn a commission for each sale you generate. This is a great choice if you don't have your own products to sell. You can think of it as reviewing products and creating content on them, and if your audience watches your TikTok and end up purchasing the product, then you will get credit for it. It's a win-win situation between the TikTok seller, the person who shops, and you as an affiliate. So why should you consider TikTok Shop? Now for sellers, TikTok Shop is already a big trend and is here to stay. It's so effective because buyers can shop directly on the app, which means higher conversion rates compared to any other social media platforms. Secondly, TikTok's algorithm can help your content reach the right audience, giving you the potential for massive exposure. For TikTok Shop affiliates, this gives you the opportunity to promote great products to your audience by just creating content on them and earning consistent commissions without even holding inventory. So you have very little risk with unlimited upside. And sky's the limit when it comes to earning potential with TikTok Shop. Let's take a look at these two examples. So here we are looking at this TikTok video that is promoting this one product, which is a kid's microscope. This video has generated 1.71 million views in the last 30 days. And generated $101,000 of revenue. This product pays a 14% in commission. So if we do the math here, 101,000 times it by 14%. So the profit on this would be $14,000 in take-home commission, which is pretty insane. So let's take a look at this video.
On Christmas morning, if your kids wake up to this microscope, it's going to be their favorite present. This is a fly right here, and let me show you something. Look how small that is, and watch this. Look how much detail is in this fly. That's his face. You can see its legs, and then its wing. You can plug in an SD card and then take pictures with this button, and look at how crazy this is. That's one of the photos. We got a leg right here. Look at its wing and its face. If I was a kid and I got this for Christmas, I would love it, first of all. Second of all, it's educational, so this is just a good thing for your kid to do. It's 40% off right now for Black Friday, so I went ahead and linked it right here if you want to check it out.
So next we are going to look at another example. So this creator promoted this digital picture frame. In the same time frame in the last 30 days, generated 2.44 million views and $98,000 in revenue. This product pays an 8% in commission, so $98,000 times 8%. The take-home profit for this would be $7,800. And here's a video.
This digital picture frame is going to make the perfect gift for moms, mother-in-laws, grandmas, all those kind of people. It's originally $129 and it's on sale right now for $29.99. I don't know how long that's going to last, but don't say I didn't warn you. So get you one.
Alright, so that was a very simple video, only lasted 18 seconds. She just talked about her thoughts about the product and how good of a deal she thinks it is. So simple videos like these can be very effective. So these are only 2 examples out of many others who are earning on TikTok Shop. If we come back out here and go to the video tab, these are all the different creators who are creating content. These are the different type of products that they are promoting, and these are the money that they're making. So these are all regular people making simple TikToks and making a great income on TikTok Shop. If you want access to this tool that I'm using, which is called Calodata, so you can see all the other videos yourself, you can sign up for a free trial with the link I listed down below in the description. So everything about TikTok Shop sounds great. So what are the downside? Of course, like everything else, nothing is perfect, and there are a couple challenges to keep in mind when it comes to TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop ultimately depends on the TikTok platform, so if there's any changes to the algorithm or policies, then it could impact your earning as a seller or as an affiliate. Also, standing out can be tough at times because of the increased competition, but with creative, authentic content and consistency, it's certainly more than possible to achieve success on the platform. There are literally countless people every single day earning income from TikTok Shop. Next, I will briefly talk about how to get set up as a TikTok Shop seller. So setting up a TikTok Shop as a seller is pretty straightforward. You need to provide the following information: an email address, a US phone number, an ID, that could be a US passport or a US driver's license, a US-based address, your social security number or your ITIN, ITIN, and if you are a business, then you would need to provide your business info and your EIN. Keep in mind that if you're from a different country, then the requirements that I listed might be different. If you want a complete step-by-step guide on how to get set up as a TikTok Shop seller, you can check out this tutorial where I guide you through step-by-step. I will link it down below in the description. And to set up as a TikTok Shop affiliate, at the time of the recording, you need to have at least 5,000 followers to qualify for the affiliate program. If you have met that requirement and also meets all the community guidelines, you should be able to see the TikTok Shop creator button inside of your profile where you can apply for access. And also keep in mind that requirements can change over time, so please make sure when you do decide to sign up. If you want to see a detailed, comprehensive guide about TikTok Shop affiliate, where I walk you through everything you need to know, you can check out this video, and I will also link it down below in the description. Now that you know what TikTok Shop is and how to make money on it, it's time to take action. Whether you want to sell your own products or become an affiliate, TikTok Shop is a great way to turn your creativity into income. I will list out all the mentioned resources down below to help you get started. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.